Last episode, we built a library and watched a bug slip into the first draft. We caught it by eyeballing the output. That doesn't scale. Same folder, same 4 files. Today, this library gets a real test suite, run by a real test runner. And by the end, the exact bug from episode 1 gets caught by a machine instead of by us squinting. srfi 64 is the standard scheme test framework, and it's built into Kaappi. A suite is bracketed by test begin and test end. Each test equal names a case, states what should come back, and gives the call. 4 cases, the 2 strings from last episode, as regression tests now, plus leading junk and the empty string. Kaappi test takes a directory and finds the suites itself. 1 flag, lib path, so the tests can import the library, same as any program. 4 tests, all green. And notice the seed. The runner shuffles test order on purpose, so hidden dependencies between tests get exposed, and any run can be reproduced exactly by passing that seed back. Now the real test of the tests. I'm putting episode 1's buggy version back, the one without trim dash. Run the suite, and there it is by name. Expected hello world got hello world dash. That's the bug we caught by luck last time, caught by contract this time. And the exit code is 1, which is what makes CI work. A red suite fails the build without anyone reading the output. Fix goes back in. Suite goes back to green. From here on, that trailing dash can never sneak back unannounced. That's what a regression test is. One more trick, and it's a good one. Under git -- changed asks, what did I touch since the last commit, and which tests can that touching possibly affect? Clean tree, 0 tests run, 0 milliseconds. Touch the library, and the runner traces the import graph and runs exactly the suites that import it. 2 files here, so it's a party trick. 50 libraries deep, it's the difference between seconds and minutes. Last question. Did the tests actually exercise the library? Coverage tracks every exported procedure that got called. Our library exports 1 procedure, and the suite calls it 1 of 1, 100%. The overall number is noisier. It counts the test framework's own internals too. So the line to watch is your libraries. So now the library has a contract, tests that name their expectations, a runner that shuffles, selects, and reproduces, and a coverage line that keeps the suite honest. Next time we meet the rest of the tool belt, check, format, explain, and doctor, the compiler as a colleague. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.